I had problems with my own subconscious programming, and it is especially a big problem when I wanted to write my book, The Biology of Belief. For at the time, I was a respected research scientist in the medical community, but I also knew that if I wrote the book, I was going to write about spirituality. Well, in the medical world, spirituality is never used. It is forbidden almost to talk about spirituality because that's not medicine. And I was going to write about the nature of spirituality. And I started writing my book, and about midway through, it just stopped. I couldn't write anymore. I waited, and I started again, a second time, started the book over again. Got about midway, halfway through the book, and just stopped. I couldn't write anymore. And I did that a third time. And at some point I was very upset because I realized I can't get this book written. Well, and doing some kinesiology, muscle testing, which is a way you can identify the programs in your subconscious mind, I was realizing my subconscious was trying to save my career, because my subconscious knew that if I wrote this book, my colleagues would not respect me anymore. So my subconscious was sabotaging my writing because this way I could save my career. And I had to go through and change the program. So what happened was this: I understood the nature of the problem, and then I used an energy psychology modality called PSYCH-K. And it was very interesting because in this process, I was asked, how do I want this book to be written so I could program that? And I thought about it. I said, well, it's been taking me so long. A, I want the book to be fast. B, after struggling for all that time, I said, I want it to be easy. And I thought, the last one, I thought, why not make it fun to write this book? So I wrote a new program, and through energy psychology, I programmed the book will be written fast, easy, and it will be fun. Well, this whole process took less than a half an hour. And a few months later, I'm finishing my book. I forgot even that I did the process. And I remember going over the book the last time before sending it to the publisher. And I'm reading the manuscript, and I get to the very last page, get to the last sentence, and I go, whew, finished. And I pushed myself away from the table, and I sat there for a second. I said, wow, that was kind of fast and easy, and it was kind of fun. And then all of a sudden, my mind said, oh my goodness, this is exactly what the program was that I put into my mind using the PSYCH-K process. It surprised me because I completely forgot about the program. And yet, the program created the outcome. And I'm so very happy because with the help of freeing my mind, I was able to write a book that's now 13 years and still